Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you some additional tasks in order to qualify for the Berachain airdrop, and along with Berachain airdrop there is another airdrop that I will show you in this video. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. And also, before moving to airdrop, you can follow my Twitter page for latest giveaways and also for airdrop and alpha feed. There are few giveaways that would be coming soon. Now the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to actually go ahead and swap some BERA tokens to Honey. And once you do that, all you have to do is you will need to go to zot.io over here, and you will need to complete certain social tasks over here. So the tasks are pretty simple, like visiting their website, connecting your Discord, joining their Discord server, and connecting your Twitter over here, retweeting. So you can complete this in order to get some EXP and climb the leaderboard. Now the next thing that you will need to do is the swapped honey you will need to go ahead and supply on zot.io. So over here, simply go over here, select the chain BERA testnet, and in select coin simply click on honey and simply simply put in how much honey you want to go ahead and deposit. So for example, if you want to go ahead and deposit like 20, just put 20, press on deposit, and then MetaMask will pop up and you have to like accept the transaction. Now at times you might get a RPC error, so you have to be patient. You just keep trying until the transaction is completed and the deposit is made. So basically you have supplied the liquidity on the Zot platform. Now Zot is an incentivized platform, so there would be a potential airdrop for Zot, and this should be a decent airdrop because Berachain has recently retweeted about Zot.io. Now you can also go ahead and withdraw some of the deposits that you have made on this network over here, and I think it's giving a APY of around 12% if you have already deposited some honey over here. Now the next thing is there are some new quests that are added to Faucet Honey Jar over here. So the first quest is Clumber Party. Now this is getting over in 2 days. All you can do is you can use my sign up referral link or a sign up referral code. My sign up referral code starts with dash over here, and there are letters over here. So once you copy this code over here, you have to go to collection, and over here you will get the option to actually go ahead and redeem this code. So simply paste the code over here and you would be able to redeem it. Now the next quest is BERA need baddies. So over here you will need to complete certain basic tasks like following, liking and retweeting on Twitter, and also you have to create a meme which is inbuilt in this, and you have to share it on your Twitter. Once you complete all of this, you will be able to complete this quest. Now the next quest is honey hooks over here. For this you will need to have a Warpcast account. Now if you don't have a Warpcast account, you can use my sign up referral link in the description, and if you are living in states, then this Warpcast is free for you. If not, then it will cost you like $5 every year in order to set up a Warpcast account. Now there are big players like Vitalik and rest of them on Warpcast, and it's a pretty active community similar to Twitter. And I think there might be some potential airdrops in the future for Warpcast and some other airdrops also that might be included in Warpcast. Although none of this is a financial advice, if you want to go ahead and actually create an account or Warpcast and actually pay them like $5, then only do it. If not, then it's perfectly fine. And then on Warpcast, basically this quest, you can visit Warpcast over here, and we'll wait for it to load. And as you can see, this quest is from Hook protocol, where you have to deposit like 0.025 wrapped it to Hook protocol, and you have to simply go ahead and follow them. So all you have to do is, once you are here on Warpcast, you have to press on unlock over here, and then this quest will unlock, and then it will give you couple of links where you can go ahead and complete this quest over here. Now I haven't deposited like this 0.025 wrapped it yet, but maybe I will go ahead and deposit it soon. So as you can see, if I click over here, now we are on their hook protocol. I will press on launch Odyssey and you can connect your wallet. So there's MetaMask Phantom Edge. So I will go ahead and connect my MetaMask wallet, and in network it's basically on ARB, Base, ETH or Optimism. You can deposit this ETH over here, and you will also need to make a trade on the Honeycomb perpetual market, and then you would be able to go ahead and complete this quest. Now the last quest that is pending as of date is like this one, where it's a simple quest. Once again, it's like liking, sharing and retweeting on Twitter, and you can go ahead and complete this quest. So these are some of the new tasks and quests that you can complete, and also along with that you might be eligible for this Zod.io airdrop and some potential airdrops on Warpcast in the future. So this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.